Hunter Service Center stands out from other companies I've worked at because their involvement with everyone on a day-to-day basis, which I really enjoy. A lot of times at companies I've noticed you're just an employee here. There's more of a hands-on with everyone, one-on-one individual basis.
I quit my job and applied for this one. I feel like I belong here. I think it's one of my best decisions I ever made.
The company culture is definitely warm and rewarding. I found plenty of ways to incentivize employees to do the right thing and just make it a kind of fun place, and it's a safe place overall to come to day to day.
We're shipping all over the world. So before I was just doing it occasionally. Now we do it every day here. If I knew anybody that needed a job, I would highly recommend them.